McChip Turns Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS to a GT3 RS look and performance. McChip-dkr starts with 911 Targa 4 GTS as the basis for these upgrades, and the firm manages to push the output to 566 horsepower and 498 pound-feet of torque, which is a major upgrade over the stock trim's 450 horsepower and 405 pounds-feet. To add so much to the model's output, the tuner installs its Stage 3 performance upgrade that includes upgraded turbos, new downpipes, a performance chip, and Capristo exhaust with sports catalysts.